what is up? Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode we will be replacing the windshield wiper arms. As you can tell, they are getting a little chip there with paint on each side. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to remove these. We're going to sand them down, give them a nice coat of paint, and put her back on. Alright, let's get to it, guys. Alright, so very first thing we're going to do, we are going to take our 14mm socket, loosen this guy off. Both our wiper blades off. Let's go get these bad boys sanded. Alright guys, so we're just using basic products, kind of what I had laying around the house. Just some 99% isopropyl just to clean up the surface after I am done sanding it. I had some Rust-Oleum automotive touch-up paint left here. It's got a primer and the paint all in one, so we'll give that a shot, get a nice little black finish there. And then I had some clear coat finish that I had left over from a different job that I was doing, so we'll give that a quick spray to kind of give it a bit more protection. Got some sandpaper here, just a 220 and 150 grit there, just to kind of make everything nice and smooth. And what we're going to do first is we're going to take the wiper blades off the arms so we can give it a quick sand. Alright, let's get to it.
20 minutes later.
These wiper blades absolutely suck. Alright, let's get to sanding. So, next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our isopropyl and we are going to clean up these surfaces. So grab a rag or paper towel, something you think is going to work best for you.
20 minutes later. One hour later.
Ooh, what a difference. I mean, I think they turned out pretty good. So what we're going to do is we're going to throw the wiper blades on and let's go install. Alright, well, no time like the present to install these. So much nicer. Alright guys, that's it for the channel for today. Thank you for tuning in. Hit that like and subscribe button just down below. Hopefully this video helped you out, and we'll see you on the next one. Alright, take care.